Today, I am joined by Professor Philip Calder, lead of the iNutriLife Hub. Professor Calder is Head of Human Development and Health and Professor of Nutritional Immunology at the University of Southampton. His work focuses on understanding how nutrition influences the functioning of the human body, which is essential for improving health, reducing disease risk, and supporting the treatment of nutrition-related conditions. He is internationally recognized for his research on immunity, inflammation, cardiometabolic health, and especially for his pioneering work on omega-3 fatty acids. With more than 700 scientific publications, he is listed as a highly cited researcher and has received numerous major honors throughout his career, including the Danone International Prize in Nutrition and several lifetime achievements from leading scientific societies. Professor Calder has also held leadership roles across the nutrition science community, including serving as president of the Nutrition Society and the Federation of European Nutrition Societies, and he has contributed extensively to editorial boards and scientific committees, shaping research and practice across the field. There are many more achievements we could mention, but if we list all of them, we would generally be here all day. Instead, I'm very pleased to welcome Professor Philip Calder to discuss the BBSRC-funded hub iNutriLife as part of the Diet and Health Open Innovation Research Clubs. Welcome.
Yeah, thanks very much. It's great to be here.
Could you briefly introduce yourself and explain what the iNutriLife hub focuses on?
So I lead the iNutriLife Hub from the University of Southampton. The formal name of the hub is Understanding How Food and Beverages Deliver Innovative Nutrition Solutions Across the Life Course. But we shorten that down to Innovative Nutrition Solutions for Life Course Health. So our focus is really on improving health through food and drink across the life course. Initially, we planned quite a focus on early life nutrition interventions and later health benefits, but we've extended this to actually just really focus on research at any important stage of the life course.
What gap in the field is your hub trying to solve, and why is this important?
Yeah, so we know that the quality of the diet is poor for many people, unfortunately, right across the life course. And this is one of the causes of higher risk of ill health. So we really want to help to identify and test and perhaps deliver solutions to improve the nutritional state of the population. As I mentioned, we're interested in any vulnerable stage of the life course. So this could be during pregnancy or infancy. It could be in older age, but it could be at other important areas that are not well addressed between early and later life, for example, in the perimenopausal period. So we're really trying to catalyze interactions between academia and industry to enable high quality, innovative research to start to fill these nutritional gaps in the diet and health landscape.
Who do you think would benefit most from joining the iNutriLife Hub?
The core activity of the hub, actually in common with all of the hubs, is to provide modest research funding for collaboration between academia and industry for discrete innovative research projects. So the people who will benefit most, obviously, are the academic researchers and their industry partners, because they'll be able to be conducting research that maybe they wouldn't be able to do otherwise. And this research is both scientifically relevant, so it's relevant to the academic, but it's also got some translational prospects, so it's relevant to the industry partner as well. But of course, other stakeholders are also relevant to our work. So policymakers, for example, consumer groups and consumers in general. So we welcome membership from obviously academics and industry members, but also from people from the policy world, from the practice world, and also from the consumer world.
Can you share an example of the kind of collaborations that happen within the hub?
So far, we've had three funding calls, and we've supported around about 15 research projects, roughly speaking. And these projects involved different types of research. So we've supported some purely in vitro research, for example. So work in cell culture with omega-3 fatty acids, as an example. We've supported animal research, looking at diet in an animal model of Alzheimer's disease. We've supported pilot human trials, so small human trials that could lead to more rigorous randomized controlled trials. We've supported studies that use either data or samples from previous human trials, and we've also supported systematic reviews, for example, a systematic review of probiotics and skin health. So there's quite a variety of research that we have supported across different experimental systems and different model systems, but also focusing on health at different stages of the life course. A lot of it is around healthy aging, but also we've funded research looking at other stages of the life course. And we have a nice project coming up from our third call on diet and perimenopausal health.
And finally, if someone is thinking about joining, what is one key reason to get involved now?
Think if you join the hub, you're eligible for funding. That's one thing. We can help find partners. So, for example, someone from industry may have an idea and we can help find the academic partner. We could also help academic partners find industry partners also. So I think you find out about calls earlier. You can get funding. You're part of the network. We have some activities, some networking activities sometimes that you could be part of. These are run mainly online. I think the other thing to mention is we have been very good at supporting research led by early career researchers and involving SMEs. Sometimes the academic partner has been an early career researcher and the industry partner has been an SME. So this is brilliant for both sides of the partnership because the SME is able to do some research that they wouldn't be able to do otherwise. So I think the benefits of membership for SMEs is really clear. And in fact, most of our industry members are SMEs rather than large companies. And from the ECR side, the early career researcher side, they can actually hold our research funding. They can lead their own research. So this can be a great stepping stone for their career. And we have some case studies, if you like, from people we funded, ECRs we funded to do research in our first two rounds of funding. And, you know, they say this was really important in their career progression. So I think there's a lot of clear reasons for people to join the hub, to become members, and to help them deliver what it is they want to deliver to try to address these gaps that I talked about before in terms of delivering a healthy diet to the population.
Thank you so much for your time today. Please keep up to date with funding calls and much more on www.orc.org.uk, on www.iNutriLife.org, and make sure you follow the iNutriLife Hub on LinkedIn. Thank you.